Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a track to your playlist in the Vanced Tube application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the search button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the search for track button at the top of the page. And just browse for any artist that you want to listen and add to your playlist. And as you can see, there are the available music videos and tracks of the artist. So just click on the plus sign at the right side of the page, and then click on the add to playlists button, and here is a playlist that you can add it to, so just click on that and then click on the done button. And if you go to the playlists button at the bottom of the page, then you will see the tracks that you added to there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.